So I've just checked into the Shangri-La Singapore, and it really is Shangri-La because even though I had a great flight on Etihad in business class going from Cairo via Abu Dhabi, I didn't get much sleep, and so it's nice because I've been able to check in a little bit early. So here's what the room's like. So I didn't get an upgrade. I booked it through Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts, and it cost $297. So I used the $200 FHR benefit on the Amex Platinum card, so the net cost is $97. For that, I get complimentary breakfast and a $100 property credit that can basically be used on anything. So I could get spa treatments, I could use it for dining, even room service and stuff like that, so that's quite useful. And so just coming into the bathroom here, so you've got the walk-in shower, and then back here we got the bath. So I'm going to enjoy using this hotel for the next 24 hours.